Hydropower Steamboat, Science Project by Olivia Miller. 3x12 piece of balsa wood that is 1/2 inch thick. Masking tape. 2 food warmer candles. Nails and a hammer. Stiff wire. Metal cigar tube. And a cork with a hole through it. I start out by taking a piece of cork, putting it into the end of the cigar tube, and poking a hole through it with this. The hole is pre-poked. For this step, I took the cigar tube with the cork in it and took 2 pieces of 18-inch stiff wire and wrapped it around 3 times so that the wire hangs down like this, and I used 2 pieces of masking tape to hold it down to make it more steady. The next thing I did was cut my balsa wood. I trimmed it 4 inches and I made a pointy shape on the top so it's more of a boat shape. Then I took 2 nails and hammered them in 1 inch from each end so that they're sticking up at the end. This will help to stabilize the boat. The next thing I did was mount 2 food warmer candles on the top of my balsa wood. The next thing I did was take the stiff wire and wrap it under the boat and screw it together so that the cigar tube lays right above the candles. I have just put very hot water in this cigar tube and put back on my corkscrew with the hole in it, and I filled up my bathtub with water, so now we're going to light these candles on fire and see what happens. Don't play with matches, kids. One lit. Two lit. Okay. Time to put it in the bathtub. Oh. Oh! Well, obviously my boat wasn't a very big success considering it sunk into the water. I think that it was because the tube was heavier than the base, so it kind of flipped over. But anyway, what was supposed to happen was the candles would make the water more hot, and it would make it steam, and the steam would come out of the back of the boat, there's a hole right there, and it would power the car or the boat forward. So that was what was supposed to happen, but can't win every trial, right, Mom?
Right.
Yep.